Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ZTE Blade A72S. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one's right here on the bottom. Next one is on the top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's basically all of them. Now, to confirm if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both from one speaker, and that would mean this device doesn't have a stereo speaker but the mono one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.